Hello my crafty friends. I'm Deborah and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a slip knot. Your slip knot is what starts every crochet project. So once you know how to master the slip knot, you can continue on with the chain. So let's get started. I have some yarn. You choose whatever type you want. And the yarn has this tail, and then it's attached to what is called the working yarn, which is basically I have a little small ball of yarn. You're going to take your index finger. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to wrap it around my left index finger because my right hand is what I use as my dominant hand. You're going to wrap it around and form a little X like that. Then you're going to take your working yarn and bring it up through after you remove your index finger, up through the loop, and then tighten it. Right there is your slip knot. If you are left-handed, you want to use your right hand as the index finger, because your dominant hand is going to be your left hand. So continue to practice that until you master it, because this is how you're going to start crocheting your projects. This slip knot keeps your yarn from falling off. It also allows you to tighten, and if you make a mistake, it easily is able to come apart. Now, if you don't want to use your index finger like I did, you can also put it on your table. Your tail is here. Your working yarn is connected to the ball and goes that way. Or if you're left-handed, it'll probably go to the left. You're going to make a loop. It doesn't matter how long your tail is. Don't worry about that. You can always cut it. You're going to make a little loop. A little love loop, and then you're going to take your working yarn, which is here, put it up through the loop. It'll look something like that. Pull it tight, and right there you have a slip knot. Slip knot. Your slip knot can be adjusted so that it fits your hook, and it can come apart just as easily. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bonus by showing you how to do a chain. Go ahead and do your slip knot, do your little X or your little crossover, insert your little working yarn through your loop, tighten it. Then you're going to grab whatever size crochet hook you want. I'm grabbing just a 5mm, it doesn't matter, whatever your project is. Tighten. You want to tighten that slip knot on your crochet hook. Then however you position your hand, I position mine like this, kind of like a sewing machine, gives it tension. And then you're going to yarn over, pull the yarn through. That's your chain. So it's almost like you're continuing to make slip knots, but they're chains. Like that. Just practice the chain. As you practice the chain, you will begin to do other projects with it. So just practice your slip knot and your chain. So in this video, I just showed you how to do a slip knot 2 different ways and your chain. This is Deborah. If you like videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know the next time I upload a video. And remember, when you have a slip knot, you can always unravel. Until next time, my creative friends.